Keeping your car clean doesn't have to mean spending hours scrubbing and washing by hand. A good automotive pressure washer can make cleaning your car faster, easier, and much more effective. But with so many options available in 2026, choosing the right one can be confusing. In this video, we're looking at the 5 best automotive pressure washers in 2026, focusing on cleaning power, ease of use, features, and overall value. Whether you need something for occasional car washing or regular detailing, these picks can help you find the right pressure washer for your needs. So, let's get started. Number 5. The Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon is an entry-level detailing package designed to upgrade standard long-pressure washer wands for vehicle washing, driveway cleaning, patio restoration, and general home exterior maintenance. Its primary purpose is to offer high-pressure output in a compact form factor, featuring a stubby gun layout paired with a 1-liter adjustable snow foam cannon, 5 color-coded spray nozzle tips ranging from 0 degrees to 65 degrees, and a 1/4-inch quick connect fitting, though buyers must note that it connects exclusively via standard M22 fittings and is strictly incompatible with standard garden hoses. In terms of build quality, the gun is constructed from tough composite plastic, reinforced with solid brass internal connectors, capable of handling up to 4,000 psi and water temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering impressive structural durability given its budget-friendly price point. In real-life scenarios, its short ergonomic handle grants vastly superior maneuverability in tight spaces like car wheel wells or lower bumper grills compared to unwieldy stock pressure wands, while the foam cannon produces a surprisingly thick, clinging layer of suds that breaks down surface road grime effectively. Ease of use is exceptional thanks to the intuitive quick-release coupler, allowing seamless transitions between foaming and rinsing nozzles in seconds. When compared to premium competitors like the Chemical Guys Torque Foam Blaster or MJJC Foam Cannon, the Tool Daily Kit lacks a wide-mouth weighted bottle base, an ultra-smooth brass metering knob, meaning it can tip over more easily on uneven ground, and requires finer dial adjustments to achieve maximum foam density. However, at a fraction of the price, typically between $18 and $30, it delivers roughly 85% to 90% of elite performance, offering unbeatable value for money that makes expensive brand name options difficult to justify for casual users. Overall, this kit is an outstanding solution for DIY homeowners, auto detailing hobbyists, and budget-conscious pressure washer owners seeking to streamline their washing routine, earning an enthusiastic recommendation as one of the best bang-for-your-buck exterior cleaning tools currently available on the market. Number 4. Designed to eliminate unwieldy factory pressure washer wands, the Chemical Guys Snubby Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon attachment serves as an ergonomic upgrade for automotive enthusiasts, weekend warriors, and professional detailers seeking enhanced precision and maneuverability during vehicle cleaning. Purpose-built for automotive detailing, it combines heavy-duty copper internal plumbing, corrosion-resistant brass quick-connect fittings, and a comfortable ultra-grip textured rubber housing capable of handling up to 5,000 psi and 10.5 GPM across both gas and electric units. A standout design feature is the integrated swivel flow 360-degree rotating hose inlet, which prevents frustrating hose kinks and tangles as you maneuver around a vehicle. In real-life scenarios, its ultra-compact form factor excels when working in tight single-car driveways, reaching low wheel arches, or cleaning intricate door jambs where long metal wands risk striking and scratching delicate vehicle paint. When paired with a foam cannon, the easy-pull ergonomic trigger drastically reduces hand strain and fatigue during long wash sessions, while the built-in safeguard trigger lock ensures safety between sprays. In terms of performance, the Snubby generates a thick, clinging blanket of suds with single-handed ease, providing immediate tactile control during both foaming and rinsing stages. Compared to budget competitors like the Tool Daily Short Spray Gun, which lacks a built-in swivel inlet, uses stiffer plastic construction, and often tangles during use, the Chemical Guys Snubby offers noticeably superior build quality, smoother rotational freedom, and far better long-term durability. While priced slightly higher than basic entry-level options at around $40, it remains substantially more affordable than ultra-premium commercial choices like the MTM Hydro SGS28, while delivering comparable real-world performance. The included 3-piece adapter kit, 1/4-inch female quick connect, 3/8-inch male quick connect, and M22 14mm twist fitting guarantees effortless out-of-the-box compatibility across virtually any setup. Overall, the Chemical Guy's Snubby represents an exceptional value-for-money upgrade that I wholeheartedly recommend for any car owner looking to transform a tedious wash routine into a safer, faster, and far more enjoyable process. Number 3. The handheld portable cordless pressure washer is engineered to provide portable, low-friction outdoor cleaning without the hassle of restrictive power cords or garden hose hookups. Powered by a high-efficiency pure copper motor, this compact unit offers optimal thermal management, reliable pressure output, and extended motor life compared to cheaper aluminum wound alternatives. Essential key features include an all-in-one 6-in-1 multi-spray nozzle offering 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, stream and shower modes, an attachable detergent foam pot, and a generous 23-foot high-elasticity hose equipped with a weighted debris filter. A key unique design aspect is this extended 23-foot hose, which provides an additional 7 feet of reach over the industry-standard 16-foot lines, enabling users to walk completely around a vehicle or elevated deck without dragging their water source along. The overall build quality features a lightweight, impact-resistant ABS composite body with an ergonomic slip-resistant handle that minimizes wrist fatigue during extended chores. In real-life scenarios, the washer delivers outstanding ease of use with its quick connect fittings and self-priming pump, drawing clean water from a simple bucket, lake, or rain barrel in seconds. Ideal for washing cars, rinsing patio furniture, cleaning muddy trail bikes, or clearing outdoor tile. When evaluating performance, while it produces moderate PSI suited for light to medium washing rather than heavy concrete stripping, it delivers tremendous value for money by including all essential accessories out of the box. Compared to competitors like the Works HydroShot WG620, which often comes with a shorter hose and requires purchasing separate spray nozzles, this pure copper washer delivers superior versatility, greater reach, and better bundled feature value at a significantly lower price point. Ultimately, this cordless washer is a smart, highly functional investment for apartment residents, campers, RV owners, and homeowners needing quick, cord-free cleaning capability, earning my wholehearted recommendation for anyone seeking supreme convenience over maximum brute power. Number 2. The Craftsman CMEPW 1700 Electric Pressure Washer is engineered as a compact, lightweight cleaning solution designed to simplify routine residential tasks like washing cars, cleaning patio furniture, and refreshing dirty driveways or garage floors. Powered by a dependable 13-amp electric motor, it delivers a maximum output of 1,700 psi and 1.2 GPM, providing the optimal balance of gentle rinsing capability and effective scrubbing force for everyday surfaces. A signature design highlight is its ultra-compact, upright, space-saving architecture featuring an onboard storage setup that neatly holds the spray wand, 20-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord with integrated GFCI, and spray nozzles directly on the unit frame. Its lightweight body and durable top grab handle make transport around the yard entirely effortless, while quick connect brass fittings and push-button operation offer unmatched ease of use without the hassle of gas engines or oil maintenance. In real-life scenarios, the CMEPW 1700 performs admirably, effortlessly stripping away months of caked-on mud from tires, blasting away patio grime, and soaping down vehicles using its included detergent soap applicator bottle. Build quality is solid for an entry-level residential washer, utilizing high-impact composite plastics that withstand accidental tips or bumps. In terms of market competition, when compared to the Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer, the Craftsman features a slightly more streamlined footprint and more intuitive wand storage, though both deliver similar real-world cleaning power. Given its accessible price point, typically under $100, it delivers exceptional value for money, saving users significant time and water compared to a standard garden hose. Ultimately, the Craftsman CMEPW 1700 is an outstanding investment for suburban homeowners, apartment dwellers with small outdoor areas, and car care enthusiasts who want a reliable, plug-and-play maintenance washer, making it a product I confidently recommend for hassle-free everyday cleaning. Number 1. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer is engineered to deliver heavy-duty cleaning capability in an ultra-compact, user-friendly electric package designed for residential vehicles, fences, patios, and driveways. Powered by a robust 13-amp motor, it produces up to 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, generating impressive cleaning units that bridge the gap between standard electric washers and noisy gas units. Key features include a professional-grade steel spray wand, a 25-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose, an onboard 600-milliliter detergent tank, 4 quick-connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a dedicated soap nozzle. A unique design aspect of the EPX 3500 is its ultra-low profile chassis featuring 4-wheel 360-degree steering and low center of gravity anti-tipping technology, allowing the lightweight 19-pound unit to glide smoothly behind you as you move without ever tipping over. The overall build quality feels solid and well-engineered, combining impact-resistant composite plastics with durable metal connection points. In real-life scenarios, it excels at stripping away years of caked-on grime, moss, and oil stains from concrete walkways, while providing gentle, wide-angle washing for delicate car finishes. Ease of use is top-tier thanks to the Total Stop System, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released to save energy and extend pump life. Compared to competitors like the Sunjoe SPX 3000, which relies on a taller 2-wheel upright design prone to tipping over during movement, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 offers far superior mobility, a sturdier pro-style steel wand, and a sleeker form factor without compromising on pressure output. Priced competitively around $150 to $180, it provides exceptional value for money by delivering near-commercial cleaning power alongside maintenance-free electric convenience. In conclusion, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is an ideal choice for homeowners, detailers, and DIY enthusiasts looking for high-performance cleaning without the hassle of gas engines, and I highly recommend it as a top-tier residential pressure washer. So, those were the 5 best automotive pressure washers in 2026. Each option has its own strengths, so the best choice really depends on your budget, cleaning needs, and how often you plan to use it. A quality pressure washer can save you time and make car cleaning much easier. Hopefully, this list helped you narrow down your options and find the right one for your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive product reviews and buying guides. And let us know in the comments which pressure washer you would choose.